Okay, am I going?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, not what I wanted.
How many liters?
Is it 15?
50. Yep.
Okay, in there. Okay, now CPR is going. I can make sure I get all my equipment ready, opened. I'd open this. Oh, I need gloves. I need gloves.
Oh, I got tons. What size?
Let's go extra large.
Give him a small.
We only have medium or large. So here's the mediums.
It's a medium. You can't say a medium.
Did it fall in?
No,
Here's
we're
another
good. I
one.
think we're good.
Well, this is going to be
That's
great.
a large for real. Kevin, will you see if you can find a smaller tube in there? Like a 5.5. Boom. That may not go in, Tyson, so don't be too hard on that. Oh yeah, we're good. That one right in.
That's a good feature. I like that.
Cured.
You got the tube holder on. You got a bag on.
What
I'm
else are we
gonna
gonna
check
put
twice.
on? What
Missed
else are
in
we
the
gonna put on
tubing.
there?
Missing tube.
End tidal.
And
If I have my
perfect.
monitor.
Yep.
Where is it?
It's in my monitor.
Da-da-da. We ready? Airway's there. Get some lube there. Is that good enough?
Same, 75-year-old female.
I'll go 7.0 and a 6.5. In fact, I'm gonna start with 6.5 first.
Hold on 1 second. Before you go in, make sure you pre-suction.
Yes. And a pre-suction. My suction guy. Thanks, Charles. Okay, that's gonna stay going. Okay, going slow, follow the roof of the mouth, get that right in the middle. Got a good shot there. Ooh, got lucky. Through the cords. It's all right. First. Bag mask. Hook that up. Grab my end title out of my monitor as well. End title on there, bag on there. Give me a bag. Check your end title. Make sure that came in there with all that shiz.
I think you'd have to.
You gotta pull your
Clear
OPA.
No, I want to see how far down the LPA goes.
So let's say that you do have a patient that's vomiting a lot and you really want to secure that with that cuff, put your cuff rib and you're putting that in. How are you going to replace that tube?
With the bougie, yep.
Okay.
Put a little lube right in that tube. Throw the bougie down there. I'd go straight tip first.
Hey, is that Dora the Explorer?
Backpack. Okay. Do Tyson T. Good. Okay, needs a cannula. $15. All right. So he's good. Oxygen's going.
Spencer, we offer churros then?
Yeah.
I haven't asked Whitney the question, so you ask her.
Whitney, how much is it for a box?
A box of what?
Those.
I think they're $115.
Thank you.
So
Or
how
one.
much, is a box one
Box.
box of
One
gloves?
box
One
that
box.
you're holding.
100.
Hey, I just got a
Crazy.
quick note here that I was right.
That's
Just
it.
that box.
Tyson or Travis owes me a
How
churro.
much is this one?
Which one's that one?
This is 100.
Yeah, 115-ish.
Told you.
Yeah.
Man, that churro's gonna taste so good.
Section.
I lost. I thought there was could be 115 for one box.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell Jake that's my vote just to see how far we can push the envelope there.
Chew the tube. Can we chew at the teeth?
Oh, that's one thing I forgot to measure was
Did you get it?
Yeah, I was just taking a picture. Okay, we're good.
So exciting.
I know, right? Inflate the cuff. Okay, hook up my end title.
You ever intubated before?
Nope.
You wanna do it?
Nope.
Come on. You just put them
Secure
gloves
it.
on, Lloyd. It's so easy.
Check, end title.
If I can do it, anybody can do it.
No.
For sure.
It worked.
Your mannequin needs a bath.
It's twerking. He's fine. Okay, so you got end title, but how many methods are you supposed to use to double check? 2. What's your other method? I visualized. What's your secondary method? End title.
Missed in the
That's your
tube.
misting in the
Primary
tube.
Hey Whitney, thanks for coming up to
Why
win me a
I'll bring
churro.
churros tomorrow.
I'd listen to
Uh,
lung sounds.
Okay.
Okay.
Hold on one second, Spence. How are you gonna secure your tube? Okay, you're good. What was that in your camera there?
Okay.
Glad we videoed this.
You doing? Oh, you did. Son of a bitch.
That's what they offer.
BSI, my scene is
He didn't-
safe.
Very excited.
Don't step on the toes. People get mad.
I don't know why.
I'm gonna grab lube. Rip it. Lube it. Lube it.
Just the tip.
Just the tip.
You liberal with it like Tyson.
Yeah. It happens.
That was so funny.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir.
I like Kevin's method of this.
I did too. I thought that worked really well, actually.
Alcoholics.
Just don't do that on a live picture.
Can't remember what Greg said, but it was pretty close. He was some
Had to follow Tyson's lead. I liked it. Oh no, it's slipping out.
Looked up a tutorial on cannulas and it said you can do either way. They recommend this way so it doesn't pull on their nose.
24th the teeth.
1.6 million.
It pulls on the ears if it's here, but pulls on the nose if it's there.
Secure. I'm gonna get our end title. I'm gonna get our bag valve mask. We're gonna have her check with our end title. We're gonna check with our lung sounds. We have it secured. We can get rid of that now.
That's what they offer.
BSI, my
He
scene is
didn't-
safe.
It happened. That's a
Oh,
shit ton of
I need
lube.
gloves. I need gloves.
Oh, I got tons. What size?
Give
Let's
us
go
small.
extra large.
Give us small.
We only have medium or large. So here's the mediums.
It's a medium. You can't oh. a medium.
Did it fall?
No,
Here's
we're
another
good.
one.
I think we're good.
Well, this is gonna be
That's
great.
a large for real.